Use AI to build your first app in 10 minutes and 3 easy steps. So, Kneller Fernandes here from Fitpreneurship. I help others start their own side hustle where they are their own boss and get to true time, location, and financial freedom. So I've spent thousands of dollars learning this kind of stuff, and I'll be teaching that to you on this channel. So don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to get notified when I have new videos out. Now, if you're ready to see how you can use AI to build your app, comment, let's go and let's have a look. Also, stay tuned till the end where I'll show you how you can use this app to get monetized. So let's begin. The step one is to go to ChatGPT, or you can go to DeepSeek as well. Now you're going to write a prompt like this. I've written, please write me a script to use Claude AI. So Claude AI is going to give me the script to generate an app, track my medicines each day for a week. It could be a way of entering the name of the medicine to be taken each day and a checkbox to indicate when the task of taking the medicine is complete. So this is a small kind of app I want to build to track a medical thing for either myself or someone else. Okay. So I can just give it a go and let's see what it comes out with. Okay. So now it's giving me a prompt. Okay. So I can ask it to generate a React code also, or I can go to Claude.ai and actually get this done. So let me just copy this and see how it works in Claude. So I'll copy that from there, what it's telling me to do, and I'll go to something called Claude. Now, Claude, you'll see something like this. Once you log in, I'll leave the link also down. What you need to do is just put this in here, okay, and press the button there. And now Claude will ask me a few questions. Okay, so because I gave it directly the whole script from ChatGPT, directly is generating the code. You can see on the right side. Now, I have no idea what this code is all about. I'm not a programmer myself, so I have no idea, but Claude is writing it up for me. You do not have to have any kind of programming knowledge. This thing is only limited by your own imagination. The more you can imagine, you can dream of an app that could help someone solve a problem. You can really do a good job of creating the app. And also, if the app is good enough, you can even sell it. Okay, now you can see it's created a weekly medical tracker. Now let me see. Now I can add a medicine, say paracetamol, and okay, now it can give me the whole thing paracetamol. Now for say Tuesday, I had something, say, vitamin D. Okay, so it's added in there. So I can see on Monday, I have paracetamol. Now if I click it, it has been done. The progress has been done full. And vitamin D done. So this is the app. Now what do you do with this app? Now you can just hit the publish button. You can see here in Claude, you just hit the publish button and it'll ask you where do you publish what you want to do. Only you can access. Okay, unpublished. So publish and get the link. So this is the link. So what I need to do is just copy this. So I'll just copy this link and I can put it in a browser. I'll put this link in a browser. I'll hit the enter and you can see the app. This is the app on the browser. Okay. So if I need to say, share this with someone, I just need them to give them the link and they can do their own medical tracking, weekly medicines tracking. So it's so simple. Now, so basically the step 3 is, this is the third step. You just use the link as you need to. Now you can see in less than 10 minutes, I have created this app and I'm also using it. Now you can go very elaborate with this. So the third thing is to use this app. These are some of the ideas you can use to create this app. One is AI powered habit tracker, AI chatbot for freelancers, AI content generator, expense and budget tracker, AI resume and cover letter generator, AI fitness assistant, language learner app. You are just limited by your imagination. The more you can go deep into your thoughts, the better app you can come out with. So also now let's talk about monetization. So how you can monetize. I got some few ideas here. You can see one is to sell this app on the app store. Like you have the Google Play Store, the Apple Store. You can sell it there. Also, you could have a freemium model. Freemium model that you can charge for premium features of this app. You can add a subscription plan. Like every month somebody pays you for it. You can have affiliate marketing in the sense that you have this, people go to this app, they use it for free, but you have affiliate links there, giving them further things where they can buy or recommending further things what they can buy. You can sell to a business or you could get ad revenue, like you could get it from Google ads, etc. So you could have Google ads on your page where this app is running and you could monetize it that way. Now you can see there are various ways to do it, but to monetize it, you can't just use the link from Claude because that's a free version. what you need to do is have this on your own website. So how do you go about doing that on your own website? I'll just give you the idea how to do it. You'd have to take the script, what you got from Claude, whatever script you got here, you can copy the script here. Okay, you can see the code here. Now I've got the code here. You can copy this code and you'll have to put this code on your website. Now, how do you do that? You'd have to put this in the index section of your website. Now, if you do not know how to do this, might be a little more deep into programming. Don't worry about this. You could probably hire someone for less than $100 to actually get this done. Okay. But if you are intending to monetize this, I would recommend getting this done with someone who knows programming. Okay. If you are interested in knowing how to do this yourself, you can leave a comment after that and I'll see if I can make a video showing you how to use this code on your own website. Okay. If you like this, hit the subscribe button and watch my other videos. I'll show you some other videos on how to use AI to start generating income online. So I'll see you in the other videos. Take care. Bye.